Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be giving you some tips and tricks for DoorDash drivers. Whether you are new to DoorDash or looking to optimize your delivery routine, this video is packed with valuable insights. I'm here to share 5 essential tips and tricks designed to boost your earnings and enhance your efficiency on the road. First up, tip 1. Be selective about your orders. Here's the deal, not all orders are created equal. While it might feel like grabbing every order that pops up is the way to go, the real key to maximizing your earnings is to be a bit more strategic. Consider the distance and size of the order before accepting. Closer orders or those with a hefty total can significantly boost your earnings per hour. But what about that 70% acceptance rate myth? Let it go. Being selective can actually lead to more profitable runs, not less. Moving on to tip 2, use a mileage tracking app. Remember, when you're dashing, your car isn't just your car, it's your office on wheels, which means those miles you're clocking in are potential tax deductions. Keeping track of every mile you drive for DoorDash can be a game changer come tax season. There are plenty of apps out there designed to make this easy, so find one that suits you and watch as it turns those miles into money saved. It's not just about tracking, it's about smart financial moves that keep more of your hard-earned cash in your pocket. On to tip 3, deliver during busy periods. Timing, as they say, is everything. DoorDash is no exception. With peak times typically around lunch and dinner, these are the moments when demand surges. And so can your earnings. Keep an eye on the Dash Now feature in your app. That's your clue that it's time to go. Dashing during these busy periods means more orders, more deliveries, and yes, more money. So sync your schedule with the stomachs of your city and you'll be on your way to making the most out of every dash. Moving on to tip 4, maintain a good customer service. This tip is all about the human touch. In a world driven by apps and automation, never underestimate the power of politeness and professionalism. A friendly greeting, a smile, even a simple enjoy your meal can significantly enhance the delivery experience. It's these small gestures that build a positive rapport with customers, fostering a connection that goes beyond a mere transaction. And of course, good customer service can lead to much higher tips. In the end, it's not just the food that leaves a lasting impression, it's the warmth and courtesy that you serve with it. And finally, tip 5, take breaks. It might seem counterintuitive when you're chasing those earnings, but regular breaks are the cornerstone of sustained success. It's about more than just resting, it's about recharging both mentally and physically. Continuous driving without adequate breaks can lead to fatigue, decreased alertness, and even health issues, compromising not only on your performance but also your safety. Scheduled breaks allow you to refresh and maintain peak performance throughout your shifts. Remember, a well-rested driver is a safe and efficient driver. So there you have it, 5 useful tips for DoorDash drivers to make your work more profitable and more enjoyable. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.